Where is the center of a triangle? How do you find it? It's not as easy as finding the center of a circle or a rectangle, and for a very good reason. There are as many as 4 different centers to a triangle, depending on how we try to find it. They are the Incenter, Centroid, Circumcenter, and Orthocenter. Today, we'll look at how to find each one. Let's start with the Incenter. To find the Incenter, we need to bisect or cut in half all 3 interior angles of the triangle with bisector lines. Let's take a look at a triangle with the angle measures given. The angle on the left is 50 degrees, so we'll draw a line through it such that it's broken into 2 25-degree angles. We'll do the same for the 60-degree angle on the right, yielding 2 30-degree angles, and the 70-degree angle on the top, creating 2 35-degree angles, like this. The point where the 3 angle bisector lines meet is the Incenter. But what if we don't cut the angles in half, but instead draw a line between each vertex and the midpoint of the line segment on the other side of the triangle? Let's take a look at another triangle, but this time we can see the lengths of the sides instead of the angle measures. Let's start by drawing a line between the angle on the left in a way that will cut the opposite side in half. This is called a median of a triangle, and every triangle has 3 of them. As we can see, the opposite side that measures 10 meters has been split into 2 5-meter segments by our median. Now we need to draw the other 2 medians. Now that we've drawn all 3 medians, we can see where they intersect. This point is the centroid of the triangle and is our second type of triangle center. Now that we've divided the angles in half to find the incenter and the sides in half to find the centroid, what other methods can we devise to find the other 2 centers? Remember, there's 4. Let's try a variation of the last one. We'll start at the midpoint of each side again, but we'll draw our lines at a 90-degree angle from the side, like this. Notice that our line doesn't end up at an angle, or as we sometimes say, a vertex. It cuts through another side. That's totally fine. Let's do the same thing with the other 2 sides. As we can see, all of our sides have perpendicular bisectors, and all 3 of our bisectors meet at a point. This point is called the circumcenter of the triangle. Only 1 center left. For this one, let's keep our lines at 90 degrees, but move them so that they do end up at the 3 vertexes. When we do this, we're finding the altitudes of a triangle. You might remember altitude because we need it to find the area of a triangle. If we draw the other 2, we should find that they all meet again at a single point. This is our 4th and final triangle center, and it's called the orthocenter. So, do you think you can remember them all? Pause this video and try to match up the name of the center with a method for finding it. Thanks for watching and happy studying.